Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, right now again on the gold market. So currently guys, we mostly even do not need the intraday chart, since as you can see gold stands rather tight in recent two sessions, and our major analysis mostly stands the same. So we do not expect any upward action till the end of the week, because market has met our major targets. Market has reached the stronger resistance area on the weekly chart, on the daily chart as well. So this is not just the fib level on the weekly chart, it's also weekly pivot resistance one, and market is overbought on the daily and on the weekly chart. And it's in the such circumstance very difficult to expect some upward explosive action. That's why currently mostly we think that the gold should turn to some retracement. At least this is the normal technical behavior that should come on the markets when it stands on its own and when it's driven by the market rules. Of course, some geopolitical tensions and some other inputs could adjust the normal behavior of the market. We can't predict it, so we're currently based on the information and the situation that stands right now. And right now, based on the technical picture, this more logical will be more logical to suggest the retracement. That's why the conclusion here is very simple. So for the daily traders, you should do nothing, just sit on your hands, and when the market will approach to some suitable area, sort of acceptable area where we could think about the taking long again. The scalp traders, intraday chart traders could think about the taking the short, but be sure that you have the acceptable context for that. Some clear patterns, some starting moving down, so something that could give you the confidence for taking the scalp short position. Well, probable targets of the retracement. The first target will stand at the confidence around 1140. But currently, guys, I do not accept that. Do not exclude the chance that market really could drop to 1105, because the deep retracements is the habit of the gold, and so it likes to show the deep retracement, the 618. And do not forget about the overbought. So weekly overbought will push market lower, and in this case I really will not be surprised the market will drop to 1105. And this will not be the strategy, guys. This is normal action, because we know that gold market right now is coming to some volatility period, since the situation is changing on the market. But this is the global changing in the long term, in the large scale. That's why deep retracement on the daily is absolutely a normal thing. When the market stands more than 2 years in the bearish trend and now is starting to show some rallies, it's just unavoidable to see the deep retracements. So this is the normal action when the big shifts are coming, when the global situation is changing. The deep retracements on the daily time is the normal thing. That's why let's watch for this one area first, but keep in mind that retracement to 1105 is also possible, because market also has formed a reversal swing, as we have mentioned here yesterday. And usually when the market forms reversal swing, it turns to compounding retracement, two-leg retracement. That's why we could get some kind of the ABCD pattern. And it's taking in consideration this confluence, it will not be really something unexpected. If the first leg will be to this area, then we will see the bounce with respect to the technical support, technical bounce here. This is confluence support, strong support area, and then we will get another leg down, and this really could lead us to the 1105. It's absolutely normal. So be ready for a possible deep retracement. If market will bring some adjustments based on geopolitical tensions or something of that sort, unexpected, some statement from the officials of the central banks or something of that sort, we of course also will adjust our view. But right now it stands as we have just discussed. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we do not have something interesting except this bearish engulfing that we have mentioned yesterday. So if you're a scalp trader and take the short, maybe you feel right now comfortable yourself, but it would be better if you will get something else except this pattern. This pattern is nice, but if market will form something bigger, some other pattern maybe, or at least will start move down and you will enter on some retracement here, it will be just safer. That's for scalp traders. Personally, I do not have intention to trade the gold market right now on the bearish side, so I currently mostly keep with the daily picture. That's more valuable for me. So that's why I call for the daily traders to not take any shorts, just sit on the hands and wait when the market will reach in an area that will be suitable for possible taking the long position. So let's see how situation will develop here.